I have a couple hundred acres here of sportsman's paradise. We're just outside of Whitebird, Idaho, exactly halfway between the Salmon and the Snake Rivers. I mentioned this would be a sportsman's paradise. Just a couple of minutes ago, we saw a cow elk sitting up here. It is calving season. She was probably looking for somewhere to calve. But we also have whitetail deer, mule deer, like I said, Rocky Mountain elk. There's going to be bear out here. There's going to be mountain lions, turkey, grouse. Pretty much anything Idaho has to offer, you're going to be able to find here on this property. You can't have a great hunting property without water sources. This property has 2 year-round creeks, and there's also multiple springs just waiting to be developed. So another reason this makes a great sportsman's paradise is right up back here behind me, we border United States Forest Service. And the great thing is the public hunters just push the deer and elk right into your property, and it's easy pickings. Thanks for watching the video, but before you leave, I just want to let you know I'm the only broker in this area who does videos like this for all of his listings. So if you find this content valuable, please give me a like on this video and maybe even leave a comment if you have a chance. But more importantly, go ahead and subscribe so that you make sure to get the greatest, newest listings here in North Central Idaho. And also, if you're interested in this property, give me a call right away so that this fall during hunting season, you're not on the wrong side of this gate.